Welcome to the videos being made by Cliff for KU Padashala, a novel initiative taken up by the University of Kerala for archiving a number of videos, educational videos, for the purpose of introducing different components to the students, faculty and researchers. Cliff, the Central Laboratory for Instrumentation and Facilitation, was started as a PERS grant from the Department of Science and Technology way back in 2011. We had received a massive grant from DST to the tune of about 9 crores, and we have purchased several high-end equipments, and at that time there was no centralized facility available. We have placed the instruments in different departments of the campus. Later, in 2016, we realized the need for making a centralized facility, and for that the university has made a massive infrastructure, made a building, and then moved all the instruments and bought new instruments to the system. Later, in 2018, university thought that the scope of this institution, the facility, should be widened, and for that matter we have renamed it as Cliff Central Laboratory for Instrumentation and Facilitation, with a wider scope of not only just housing the equipments but also for making the instruments to the reach of the needy people in the state as well as outside the state. We have about 21 high-end equipments being housed, managed by qualified and trained technicians, either trained while the instruments were being installed, or they are trained at the place where the distributors are available. They are all qualified and they have the feel of the instruments, and then they always go in for making the instruments well understood by the beneficiaries. We have high-end equipments like ICP-MS, XRD, liquid nitrogen facility, BET analyzer, FTIR, NMR. We have a new instrument being added up, the XRF, and several other equipments being placed within the different laboratories, well-equipped laboratories of the central facility. In addition to getting funds from Department of Science and Technology, we are also supported through the RUSA funds of Rashtriya Uchatar Shikshak Abhiyan of the Government of India, and a number of equipments are being bought through this, as well that we had massive assistance from state plan funds where many equipments are being bought. We also are going to get a number of instruments through a KIFBI funding, the Government of Kerala funding, wherein one of the highlights of this assistance from KIFBI is an HRTM, high resolution transmission electron microscope, along with other things. In addition to that, we also are equipping the laboratories, many laboratories with which can be used by the beneficiaries to do the experiments, to make the samples, as well as go for analysis. Cliff also caters to the needs of faculty researchers working in different disciplines. We have equipment suiting to the chemistry stream, we have equipments suiting to the physics stream, to the geology stream, optoelectronics, physics, as well as to the biological stream. So you will not find a central facility like this elsewhere, because we cater to the needs of different scientists and researchers of different disciplines. So maybe that this makes a major highlight of this great facility, which is housed in the Karyvattam campus of University of Kerala. It is also important to note that it is not just a facilitation center, just not a place where the instruments are placed. It's a place where the instruments are being demonstrated to the end users. They are free to come here, learn while the samples are being analyzed, with the aim of making them familiarized with the equipments. The advantage of this is that while their instruments are, their samples are being analyzed, they can be with the technician, guide them exactly what exactly they want in their sample, the images to be taken, so that and also the preparation of the samples, so that they will be able to go in for learning, getting a hands-on experience on this. We also have programs conducted periodically. The training programs and the workshops are being conducted by the center, and wherein we cater to the needs of different people working in different disciplines. So we have conducted workshops, training programs in different instrumentation like LCMS, XRD, ICP-MS, and the like instruments. So most of the instruments are also made familiar to the end users through this process. Overall, the Central Laboratory for Instrumentation facility stands unique in the country, mainly because that is not just a physical place for keeping the instruments, but also a dynamic center where periodic trainings are done. The beneficiaries are allowed to come and sit with the people and learn how exactly their specimens are being analyzed. The videos, about 20 being made, each one depicting the working principles, the usage, as well as the live demonstration of how exactly a sample is being prepared. This is done by the technicians. Initially, we have people, experts in the area, like experts from outside or within the campus, speaking to the people on short important aspects of the particular equipment, and then followed by the live demonstration. So the advantage of this is that you can have a virtual feel of what facilities we have. You will have a virtual feel of what instruments we have, and you also will get trained through this program, because everything is being demonstrated live. So these 20 videos being made for the KU Pathshala will be archived for the reach of many people across the country as well as abroad, because once it goes open and come to the virtual mode in the public domain, anybody can access it. So we will have 20 valuable videos, though it is short videos of 30 to 40 minutes, but then everything that is needed to be known about an instrument will be depicted and explained to you. So welcome to this video and videos, and I'm sure that you will have a real feel of what the Central Laboratory for Instrumentation and Facilitation is. Thank you very much.